back. When it do that, y'all, go on, just stay on there. It'll probably trip out for 5-10 seconds. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. It ain't your phone, it's mine doing it. I don't think so. This Jerry though.
No full pads, got it right. No full pads, got it right. I see your girl down there.
Got them all over there.
That was on the motor, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Bitch picked the wheels up.
Yeah, that bitch is getting it. He be getting it.
I'm gonna get my shirt.
Yeah, man, before they sell out. Get your shirt for it, sell out. Let me see who we got next, y'all. Who we got over there? Yeah, Blake, we need to get him right there that just made a pass. Yeah. See if he'll try it. Here we go, y'all.
Here we go.
My girl selling my shirts right there. Maybe one day they'll tell me why they got something against me nowadays. Look. They be filming each other and shit. I want somebody to film me. I want to be filmed. Got one on too, right in front of him. Yeah, they represent.
You got a hoodie too.
Yeah, I got the hoodies too, man. I want all the haters to see it. But if I get enough people to word, all the haters be like, damn, that's who I'm hating on. Must be alright. Probably be like, it might be alright, everybody rocking this shirt.
Look out racing in this bitch.
Yeah, man, tell them Funky Town.
Look out racing in this bitch. Look out racing in this bitch.
Oh, they know.
Where you going, look out?
Right here.
He was dead. Say, man, he was dead, man.
Shit, that cash out, man.
Man, he was dead.
He was definitely dead.
Give me a dime back. Tyrone, that Mustang had it. That Mustang ain't bullshit.
I ain't gonna lie.
Mustang just went up too far. But even he came down, he kind of.
He got sideways.
He spent, he broke a loop on there. That bitch hustling, man.
Yeah, it is.
And I'm gonna tell y'all a secret.
Yeah.
That's a girl.
Oh, that's the old girl,
That
Tiana.
girl be at that school.
Oh man, Yeah,
That's the
Tiana,
girl.
that was
That's the
Tiana.
girl. That's
Hey,
the
Funky
girl,
Town, man. You got to make sure we get you a Lookout Racing shirt, man. You get 1/2 off, bro. You down? Or I need to just give it to you?
You need to give it to me because
Okay.
I sponsor.
Yeah, okay. Hey, what size you wear then?
2X.
2X. Look out. Hey, I need a 2X shirt for Funky Town.
Funky Town ain't no damn 2X.
Yeah.
Man, you a speedy one, man.
That nigga said,
Yeah. Get that 2X to Funky Town, man. Let him represent Lookout Racing.
Like a blanket on this man. Put your arm down, man. Oh, that's too big, man. Look out.
I'm gonna put this on.
You finna put it on for me now?
I'm gonna go take this.
Yeah.
Shirt out and put this.
Already, bet. Now,
Hey, give me that sign before they go. Hey, that line before they go.
2X behind the gate. I don't know what gate you behind. You better give me some more information than that. I don't even know where to go to bring it to you at. I don't know if the lights dropped. I just seen him take off way before the other one took off. The pit gate. Man, I do not know where you at, man. Hey, let me get another 2X. Thank you. Now where I need to go, man. You need to direct me better than I don't know where the pit gate at. Oh, you all the way at the beginning of when you first come in? Oh shit. Here we go with that.
Still got the Tahoe?
Got Back in the building.